It's like raining seeds here. And nobody just mowed their lawn. It's just like, can you see? All of these seeds keep falling. And there's no dandelions here. And it's not even like, I don't know, the breeze is picking up, but it wasn't even breezing. There's all of these seeds just falling everywhere. It's like raining seeds. Do you see that? It's so pretty. It's literally raining seeds. It's the power of nature and God that I will provide for you. I know your gardens were all taken down by those men in control of your property, that you spent thousands of dollars on those gardens, thousands of hours, and that I will replant those seeds for you. It's so beautiful. They're everywhere. I don't even know. Like, there's no, like, they're just, you cut the grass like all day and there's nothing. They just showed up. It's a miracle. It's just like, you cut it down and I'm gonna plant it. I'm gonna plant it again. Can you see that? Can you see? And one of the reasons that I have this project of a inside like home project garden is a seed preservation. Brad Pitt in the movie The Great Short said that seeds will be the new currency. So I'm not in those meetings, but if it's true, we can always hedge.